Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The numpy.zeros function is a useful utility in the numpy library that creates an array filled with zeros. This can be particularly helpful when you need to initialize an array to store results or when you want to create a placeholder for future computations. Hashtag overview of numpy.zeros. Hashtag syntax. Hashtag parameters. Shape. This can be an integer or a tuple of integers that defines the dimensions of the array. For example, if you want a 2D array with 3 rows and 4 columns, you would pass 3, 4. Type. This is an optional parameter that specifies the desired data type of the array. If not provided, it defaults to float 64. Common data types include int, integer; float, floating point number; bool, Boolean value; str, string; order. This is also optional, and it defines the memory layout order. It can be either C, row major order, or F, column major order. The default is C. Hashtag returns a new array of the specified shape and data type, filled with zeros. Hashtag code example. Here's a step-by-step example demonstrating how to use the numpy.zeros function. Hashtag explanation of the code. 1. Importing numpy. We start by importing the numpy library as np. 2. Creating a 1D array, we create a one-dimensional array of zeros with a length of 5. 3. Creating a 2D array, we create a two-dimensional array of zeros with 3 rows and 4 columns. 4. Creating a 3D array, we create a three-dimensional array filled with zeros. 5. Specifying data types, we create a 2D array of zeros but specify that the data type should be int. 6. Fortran order, we create another 2D array of zeros but specify that it should be stored in Fortran order. Hashtag output. When you run the code, you will get output displaying the arrays created, their shapes, and the data types where applicable. Hashtag conclusion. The numpy.zeros function is a straightforward yet powerful way to create arrays filled with zeros, which can be very useful in various applications such as numerical simulations, data pre-processing, and more. Understanding how to use it effectively allows for better memory management and initialization in your data analysis tasks.